which is in Brisbane, and we're going to level 4 because I'm in room 424. Wi-Fi password is cheerful. Guys, this is Regis. Wow, look at the carpet, guys. Regis Fortitude Valley here in Brisbane, and look at the sky. Wow, what a lovely, lovely day. So I'm here at Regis. So our room is 424. Let's look for it here. So room 424 is right here. Okay, let's go. Yeah, perfect. So let's use the key. Hang on. We are room 424. If I can get rid of the key. Tama ba? There you go, and then there's light. Perfect. Yan, nakalak. Yan, nakalak ngayon siya. Ano ba dito? Room tour kaagad tayo. Okay. Yep. My ironing board. Yung cabinet nila. And then, mga storage pa dyan. Or something. Yan. Tapos, dito naman, glass door, papuntang toilet. Hello! Welcome to Brisbane! Ito yung toilet nila. Ito yung shower. Yan, yung shower. Okay, towels. Shower nila. And yung shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Tapos meron silang soap. Sink. Yan. Ito yung kanilang toilet. Dyan yung trono. Merong blower doon. Tapos meron silang kettle dito. Paglabas mo sa yung right, may kettle. Merong mga tea, coffee. Merong champagne. What's that? That is Shiraz. Champagne. Meron pa dito maliliit na champagne. Yan pwede itong iuwi ba? Pwede ba? Baka may charge yan ha. And then merong mga chocolate, Maltese, ganyan. Ito, meron ito. Ito, gusto ko ito. Cashew nuts. Yan pa. Tapos ano ito? Regis Fortitude Valley, Brisbane. May bayad. May bayad, guys. Okay, so wag na. Hindi naman din ako kakain yan. And then, merong vault dyan sa mga milyones mo. Cutlery. And then, mga baso, wine glass. And then, meron din dito. Ito may mga bayad din to na fridge. Yan, mga cold drinks and everything. Cold, ganyan. Ito. I think this is a secret room. Sana walang lalabas dyan paggabi, no? At kainin tayo. Merong malaking, dyan, mirror. Tapos, TV dito. And ito yung bed. Ganda ng bed, oh. Tapos yan, meron ng charging, USB charging, power, phone, bedside lamp. Ang aircon niya nandyan. So pag ganyan ang mga aircon sa hotel, guys, hindi yan noisy. Yan ang remote or ang control. Tapos, ito yung study table na may lamp. Tapos meron ding mga sockets dyan. Pwede ka mag-charge. At ito na naman isang upuan, lamp, meron silang painting. Okay, itong napakalaking nila. Yan, 'di ba? Pag ganyan mo, yes. Ayan na. Brisbane City. Tignan nyo yun. Yan ang Brisbane, guys. Yan. Tapos, I think ang convention center is yan. Yan yung convention center. Kita mo yung roof na yan. Yan ang convention center. Pero malapit na tayo sa city center. Okay. Yan. Hello, Brisbane, Queensland. Napaka-sunny. Ang init. Hindi naman masyadong mainit, pero obviously, kagagaling ko lang sa Europe na napakalamig dahil winter. Very opposite ang weather. Dito, may araw. Doon, wala. Malamig. Dito, mainit. May araw. Party, party! Party na, guys. Hey, thank you, guys. Para magbantay sa mga party goers. Reception. Ito yung reception area. Lounge.
The next day.